Mom's Ginger Snaps Recipe. Christmas time automatically sets people like to baking delicious small items called cookies. They are a favorite for the young and the young at heart. Whether you are using a tube of cookie pre-made mix, a ready mix, or an old-fashioned recipe passed down for generations, cookies are just fun and also fun to decorate. If you are going to use a box mix for your cookies, I highly recommend the Betty Crocker mixes that come in those useful red bags. They are easy to use and they always come out great even at high altitude. I don't recommend using the mixes in the tubes because they don't tend to work very well at high altitude and they are very hard to decorate. They are useful however if you need cookies for a party or get together in a hurry. Today I wanted to give you one of my all-time favorite cookie recipes for this holiday season. More will come as the week and the holidays progress. Servings, 4. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Difficulty level, easy. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, optional, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup margarine, softened, 1 cup white sugar, 1 wgg, 1 tablespoon water, 1/4 cup molasses. Preparation instructions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Sift together your dry ingredients of flour, ginger, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together, I recommend a stand or hand mixture, the margarine and 1 cup sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg, water, and molasses. Slowly fold in sifted ingredients into the molasses mixture. Shape dough into walnut-sized balls. Place the cookies 2 inches apart onto an unreleased cookie sheet, and flatten slightly. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven. Cool and store.